Contact. Contact. Where is he? You see him? What? He shot you. Drew, did he shoot you? James is in the creek. Did you see somebody back here? Okay. Alright, what do you want to do? Because Drew's still laying there. Yeah, he's trying to scare us. We'll work this way. Watch my 6. hit, good hit. Stay right here, stay right here. Stay down. It's your second time, right? Okay. You can chill out wherever. Alright. I have Windex if you need. Alright, Seth, what's our next move? Okay. I was thinking I could go in the creek there. And then you can take the highland here. But let's get Drew first. Right, with me. With me. Get on my left shoulder. I want you on my left shoulder. That way you're looking this way and you can see this way too. Yeah, it should be. Drew should be right there. Alright. Is Drew there? Drew! Come down. Oh shit, what is he? Oh, dang. Yeah. Good work, dude. Shoot, where's that grenade? There it is. Nope, dead. Yeah, later. Actually, I don't know if I do, because I think I gave him to James. Oh, I bet my dad does. Yeah, I'll ask him. Alright. Oh. Yeah, because once it's dead, it's anybody's. I failed to... Yeah, I failed to mention that. I was going to mention it the next game. Yeah, that was my bad. He got shot twice. He's out. Well, I was here and I was watching James the whole time. I was going to let him pass a little bit. Because I was like, this is a dick move. I don't want to just like sit here as soon as he comes out. Ross was in here at one point, wasn't he? What? Ross was the first person to shoot at me up here. That was you? I saw Gray. I saw Gray, but okay. Oh, Seth. You're out. Oh crap, I need to get back in. Stay there, dude. I got shot. I still have another life. I don't know. Get some Windex on them. Yeah. These are kind of fun up too. Yeah. That's my mom. It's probably underneath the sink. Yeah. He got bombed. He tried to throw a grenade, got us both out. So that's actually out. That's not one more life. Was Ross in the creek down there at all? Because I thought he was the first one to just like run up and spray the hillside that I was on.
No, that was me and Trent down in the creek.
Oh, okay.
And then I was getting out. I'm like, I saw you guys run. Like, well, I don't want to step back in.
Yeah, I was watching you. I was gonna let you walk a little bit. Cause I was like, I don't want to do that to you. But here we go. Are you out? So what? Oh. So wait, are you teaming up with me or something?
My teammate, that's the problem.
Okay. I just don't trust you on my backside. Okay.
Like, I could easily just turn and shotgun it.
Yeah, I know. Right. Next to me. That's true. Yeah. He's good. Yep. What, you see him? Yeah, it was. It was very well done. It hit me right in the head. Yeah. Yeah. I don't think so. I don't know. Yeah, I didn't see him at all. I want to go pick up Drew. Oh, just help guard me. That's all. No, it's too big. Just watch the backside. And this is gonna end up with you dying somehow. That's fine. No, I won't do that to you. You can do like a Western standoff. Oh. Yeah, Cameron is pretty smart. Yeah, I don't want to do that right now. I kind of want to work from like shelter to shelter. Yeah. Hold. I forgot to mention the bang roll. Oh. I know. But you should. Yes, I know Trent's on the opposite team. But his team just got taken out. Cameron and Ross.